Welcome to Pill Talks, your channel for fascinating science insights. Today we're diving deep into DNA replication, the process your cells use to copy their genetic material before they divide. Visualize a twisting double helix. DNA, the blueprint of life, is made of nucleotides. A DNA base pair is two complementary nitrogenous bases, adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine, connected by hydrogen bonds to form a rung of the DNA ladder. Watch as enzymes like helicase unwind the DNA, opening a replication fork, while single-strand binding proteins keep the strands apart. Now DNA polymerase steps in, adding new nucleotides and building new strands. On the leading strand, this happens smoothly and continuously. On the lagging strand, synthesis happens in short bursts called Okazaki fragments, later joined by DNA legacy. Proofreading enzymes ensure accuracy, minimizing mutations. This entire process is vital for growth, healing, and reproduction. The human genome contains about 3 billion base pairs. If stretched out, your DNA would reach the sun and back over 600 times. Mistakes can cause mutations, but your cells have repair mechanisms to keep your DNA intact. Thanks for watching this. Subscribe Pill Talks for more.